Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to become a fan of someone in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Now click on the profile of the person of whom you want to become a fan. In order to become a fan, first you'll have to follow this person. After that, become a fan option appears. Tap on it. Here you can see that some amount of money is required in order to become a fan. So tap on become a fan option. Then you can click on add credit or debit card option. I cannot record that page because of certain privacy reasons. So all you have to do in that page is enter your card details and proceed. Then enter the amount of money you'll have to pay. After that, you'll have to check out. Then you'll automatically become a fan of that person. So that is how you can become a fan of someone in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.